Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the viral car aggressive shake effects in Capcut app. So if you want to make your car edits look powerful, smooth and aggressive, you can try this car aggressive shake tutorial. And let's just get started. First, you can just add your footage or image like this into Capcut. And then here in between the clips, here I'm going to go to effects and then add the white flash effects. This one in here. Click on a check icon and make it short like this. And then here I'm going to adjust it to around 48. Let's make it shorter. It will go like this, and then you can duplicate it and put it on the rest of the clip like this if you have more. And now go to effects again and add the shake effects. So make it shorter here, the effects. Make it a little bit longer than the first effect you add like this. And here click on object and choose all video. Now add 3 keyframes. On the second one, make the speed and intensity to 100 and add another keyframe at the start and make it all 0 like this. And the other one, the last one, also make it all 0. Now don't forget to also copy and paste it on another part of your video like this. Sorry. So after you add the shake effect, the next effect that you're going to add is the of oblique blur. So click on effects and find oblique blur, this one, and make the length the same like the shake effect. And then object all videos, again add 3 keyframes. So the second one, make the blur to around 80 or 75, and on the first one make it all to 0, and last one also 0. And again just copy and paste it. And the last effect that you're going to add to your clip is the jitter effect. So click on effects and find jitter, this one in here. Click on adjust and I'm going to go with just around 9. Duplicate it and put on another video just like this. So after that you are done, and this will be the final result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.